welcome back to my channel. So today I was inspired because I've been spending a lot of time on TikTok, like way too much time on TikTok, but that's a whole different conversation. But I keep seeing these like glow up essentials kind of videos on TikTok, and I've been loving those, so I decided to make a YouTube video out of it so that I can share some of my glow up essentials and favorites with you guys. So first we have to start with skincare, and I have been absolutely loving this bundle from Clarins. I don't even know how to pronounce this, but it's Clarins, okay, in English. And I have this combination that I've been using. It's totally magical. I've been using this for years now. So this first one is the double serum. I use this on my neck and then I kind of pull it up into my face. For daytime, I'm using the extra firming cream for your face. It's perfect because it really just refreshes your face and just gives you like a nice glowy, lifted, and bright effect. And this is the hardest thing for me, is to keep my eyes looking ageless. So Clarins has an amazing product for that. It's their Total Eye Lift, and I feel like this is just one of the staples of their entire collection. Obviously, for your glow up, you need an UPBRA. I just love the way UPBRA works. The technology is incredible. So just in case you're new to my channel, I just want to show you guys exactly how the UPBRA works and the technology behind it and what sets it apart. So UPBRA offers a ton of solutions for lifting your cleavage. They also have bathing suits, but I just want to talk about my favorite UPBRA because this is the most diverse as far as what you can do with it. So this is the strapless bra, and this is a strapless that stays up no matter what, which I love. And this is the part that makes it unique. So right underneath the bra, you see how there's these little notches with these hooks underneath, and here in the padded area you can actually adjust how much cleavage you want by pulling on these tabs and hooking them to your desired cleavage. So I like to keep my cleavage right about here. It's pretty subtle, but you definitely do notice a lift. So they're already set to that, but I just want to show you guys exactly what happens when you pull on this tab to lift your cleavage. So as you can see, as I'm pulling on this tab, the padding is also coming in to lift and push your boobs together, which looks incredible. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hook back to where I like to have it. And now I'm going to show you guys a before and after so you can see exactly the difference that it makes. So here's the before. I'm just wearing a corset top. It does give me a little bit of padding here, but as you can tell, it's not like lifted. I don't feel very full in the chest right now. And now I'm going to go ahead and put on the UPBRA so you can see the difference. And now here is the before and the after side by side, and you can see what a big difference the UPBRA makes. My boobs just like defy gravity thanks to my UPBRA. I love it so much. Next for body, I love a good glow, and Saint Tropez has this bronzing mist. It applies like a total mess. So what you guys have to do is just spray it on, let it get all speckly and messy, and then you're gonna take your tanning mitt and just smear it on. It kind of saves time because you can just kind of like get it on your skin, and then all you have to worry about is blending instead of taking the mousse and then the glove and then, you know, rubbing it on your body. So I do notice that I do have a more even looking tan with the Saint Tropez. There's two more products that I love for skincare. The Solace sunscreen that I have been using forever, and it's like all I talk about on my channel now. It's amazing. It smells so good. It's super lightweight and it's just like super bougie. The only thing is that it is a little bit pricey, but I am doing a giveaway on it right now, so go ahead and click the link below to watch my video on how you can win one of these sunscreens for yourself. Okay, one last thing on skincare. I keep saying that, but I have so many favorites in skincare. This is the Gua Sha. I don't know if I'm saying that right, like Gua Sha, that's how it's spelled. This is the Snow Quartz one from Floramier. I don't know how to pronounce this brand, but they did gift me with this product. I was supposed to review it like years ago and I forgot, but I've been using it because I love it so much. I just haven't had time to post a review, and I absolutely love this product. It's cooling, it's lifting, and there's also some really good tutorials on YouTube on how to actually do it, but I'm telling you right now, this works, so definitely get yourself one of these. Let's talk about makeup. So this primer that has changed my life, I never gave it a chance because it was so expensive, is the Tatcha Silk Canvas. This one of my friends used it on me and it just like changed everything, so I went and bought a sample size because it's cheaper than that huge tub. They have this in like the tub format, but they also have a liquid one now, and they're both just as good. For foundation, this is what everyone's talking about, is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. It's like sold out everywhere. It's really that good. I have been loving this foundation, and a good dupe for that is actually the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear. This is really nice. It goes on super light, so if you're like a BB cream kind of person, this is perfect, and it already has your sunscreen in it. What's really been a game changer for me is the Snatched palette from Lady Code. This is your full face in one palette with colors that you really want to wear. They're all face tones, and these are all eyeshadows, blush, contour, and highlight that you can use for any part of your face for any kind of use. I like to use this for like really dark looks or for eyeliner, just like for that natural looking liner, and these two are like my OG eyeshadow colors. It's what I'm wearing right now, and I pulled it into my nose contour, but I also contoured my cheeks and my forehead with it. The blush has been everyone's favorite, and this is just like a nice setting powder to just like put over everything to bring it all together. And as you know, the highlight is so much fun. I'll just put some on for you guys right now. I love this palette. It works for all skin tones, for everyone, for anything that you can think of. This palette is for you. So this is like a must-have for your glow up. Speaking of clothes, I'm sure you guys have heard of Splendies. They just sent me 3 pairs of underwear, so I just want to show you guys what I got. Let's see, this is my favorite. This is like a little lavender cheeky style. And then they also sent me like a nice thong. Super cute. And this is like hanging out at the house when you want to be comfortable. So Splendies is a subscription for underwear. I think it's like $12.99 a month. Correct me if I'm wrong, but they do just hook it up with underwear every month for you. So it's like a BoxyCharm for panties. I hope that you guys are inspired by this video, and now I want you guys to tell me what you can't live without. So comment down below with your glow up favorites or anything interesting that you saw on TikTok that you want me to try and review on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.